Hey there, it's Sarah. Today we're going to uncover the strategies that are far more effective than chasing to garner the interest and affection of younger women. These tips focus on self-improvement and enhancing your allure. Don't go anywhere, because our bonus tip at the end of the video is a crucial piece of advice for effectively enhancing your self-improvement journey and becoming more attractive without chasing. Stay tuned for it. Ready to become a more empowered and attractive individual? Let's get in and discover these strategies together. 1. Understand your value. First and foremost, you must understand your own value. It's easy to lose sight of your worth when you're constantly chasing someone, but it's crucial to remember that your value doesn't depend on anyone else's validation. Begging, searching, and constant attempts to contact someone can erode your self-worth and make you feel less confident. Instead, take a step back and recognize that you are valuable just as you are. When you constantly chase someone, it can come off as desperate and needy, which is not attractive. It's important to maintain your dignity and self-respect. Realize that you bring a lot to the table, and that you deserve to be with someone who sees and appreciates your worth, without you having to constantly prove it to them. Understanding your value means acknowledging your strengths and embracing your uniqueness. It's about being confident in who you are and what you have to offer. When you start to see yourself in a positive light, others will too. This doesn't mean you should be arrogant or conceited, but rather have a healthy sense of self-esteem. Remember, the right person will value you for who you are, without you having to chase them. They will appreciate your qualities and want to be with you because they see your worth. So, focus on building your self-confidence and self-esteem. Take care of yourself, pursue your interests, and surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. 2. Respect her space. Respect her need for space and autonomy. It's essential to understand that everyone needs their personal space and time to themselves. And this includes the person you're interested in. Pushing for her attention when she's not interested can lead to discomfort and strained relationships. It's important to give her the freedom to make her own choices and come to you when she feels ready. When you respect her space, you show that you value her independence and understand her need for personal time. This can be incredibly attractive because it demonstrates that you are confident and secure in yourself. You don't need to be constantly in her presence or seeking her validation. Instead, you are comfortable allowing her the time and space she needs to be her own person. Constantly trying to get her attention or forcing interactions can backfire, making her feel overwhelmed and suffocated. It's important to read the signals she gives and act accordingly. If she seems distant or unresponsive, take it as a sign that she needs some time alone. This doesn't mean she isn't interested in you. It just means she values her personal space. Giving her space also allows you to focus on your own life and interests. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. By doing this, you become more interesting and attractive. You show that you have a life outside of the relationship and are not solely dependent on her for your happiness. In a healthy relationship, both individuals should feel free to pursue their interests and have their own space. Respecting her need for space is a sign of maturity and understanding. It shows that you are willing to give her the room she needs to be herself, which can strengthen your connection in the long run. 3. Focus on self-improvement. Now is the perfect time to focus on self-improvement. When you're not preoccupied with chasing someone, you can redirect that energy toward bettering yourself. This isn't just about making yourself more attractive to others, but about becoming the best version of yourself for your own fulfillment and happiness. Invest in your personal growth, whether it's through learning new hobbies, fitness, or any other avenue that makes you feel fulfilled. Consider taking up a new hobby or revisiting an old one that you used to enjoy. Engaging in activities that you are passionate about not only brings joy and satisfaction, but also helps you develop new skills and interests. Fitness is another excellent area to focus on. Regular exercise not only improves your physical health, but also boosts your mental well-being. It helps reduce stress, increases your energy levels, and enhances your overall mood. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga, find a fitness routine that you enjoy and stick with it. Personal growth also involves setting and achieving goals. These goals can be related to your career, education, or personal development. By setting clear, attainable goals, you give yourself something to work toward and a sense of purpose. Achieving these goals boosts your confidence and self-esteem, making you feel more accomplished and empowered. Self-improvement isn't just about external changes. It's also about internal growth. Take time to reflect on your values, beliefs, and attitudes. Consider reading books or attending workshops that help you develop a positive mindset and emotional intelligence. Meditation and mindfulness practices can also be beneficial in fostering inner peace and self-awareness. Remember, focusing on self-improvement is not about changing who you are, but about enhancing your qualities and discovering new aspects of yourself. As you invest in your personal growth, you'll naturally become more attractive to others. People are drawn to those who are confident, self-assured, and passionate about life. 4. Reconnect with your passions. Rediscover your passions and interests. When you're not preoccupied with chasing someone, you have the perfect opportunity to reconnect with the activities and hobbies that once brought you immense joy and fulfillment. Engaging in these activities not only reignites the spark within you, but also makes you a more interesting and well-rounded individual. Think back to the things that used to excite you, the hobbies that you might have set aside, whether it's playing a musical instrument, painting, writing, or any other creative pursuit. Dive back into those passions. These activities are pastimes. They are an essential part of who you are. By reconnecting with them, you remind yourself of your unique talents and interests. Engaging in activities that bring you joy can significantly improve your mental and emotional well-being. When you do something you love, you enter a state of flow, where time seems to fly by and you're completely absorbed in the moment. This state of flow is incredibly fulfilling and can help reduce stress and increase happiness. Reconnecting with your passions also provides a sense of accomplishment and boosts your confidence. When you see yourself progressing in a hobby or activity, it reinforces the belief that you are capable and talented. This confidence spills over into other areas of your life, making you more attractive to others. Additionally, pursuing your interests can lead to meeting new people who share similar passions. This can expand your social circle and create opportunities for meaningful connections. When you engage in activities you love, you naturally exude a positive energy that draws others to you. It's important to remember that your passions are an important part of your identity. They define what makes you unique and special. By dedicating time to these activities, you honor yourself and your individuality. This self-respect and authenticity are incredibly attractive traits that can draw the right people into your life. Appreciating the advice? If you want to dive deeper, our free 60-minute strategy call is perfect for those ready to change their dating dynamics. Learn powerful strategies to meet more women and build your confidence. Secure your spot via the link in the pinned comment. 5. Strengthen your support network. Lean on your support network, friends and family for emotional support. In times when you're feeling uncertain or down, it's crucial to remember that you don't have to navigate these challenges alone. Your support network is there to provide the encouragement and guidance you need during difficult times. Friends and family are invaluable sources of strength and comfort. They know you best and can offer perspective and advice that is both genuine and caring. When you're tempted to chase after someone who may not reciprocate your feelings, turning to your support network can help you regain clarity and focus on what truly matters. Engaging with your support network doesn't mean you're burdening them with your problems. In fact, sharing your thoughts and feelings with trusted individuals can strengthen your relationships and foster a stronger sense of connection. Your loved ones want to be there for you, just as you would be there for them. During challenging times, having a solid support system can make a significant difference in your emotional well-being. Friends and family can provide a listening ear, offer comforting words, and help you see things from a different perspective. They can remind you of your worth and help you stay grounded when emotions are running high. It's also important to actively nurture these relationships. Spend quality time with the people who uplift and support you. Whether it's having a heart-to-heart conversation, enjoying a fun activity together, or simply being in their company, these interactions can rejuvenate your spirit and reinforce your sense of belonging. 6. Set new goals. When you're not fixated on chasing someone, you have the opportunity to channel that energy into setting and achieving new goals. These goals can be personal, professional, or both. Having clear objectives to work toward can significantly boost your sense of purpose and direction in life. Personal goals might include improving your health and fitness, learning a new skill, or dedicating time to a hobby you're passionate about. For instance, you might decide to run a marathon, learn to play a musical instrument, or start a new creative project. These goals not only enrich your life, but also help you grow as an individual. Professional goals, on the other hand, can involve advancing your career, gaining new qualifications, or starting a new business venture. Setting career-oriented goals can provide you with a roadmap to success and help you stay focused and motivated. Whether it's aiming for a promotion, acquiring new skills, or expanding your professional network, these objectives can propel you forward in your career. Having goals gives you something to strive for and look forward to. It can transform your outlook on life, making you more optimistic and driven. When you achieve these goals, no matter how big or small, the sense of accomplishment can boost your confidence and self-esteem. This confidence, in turn, makes you more attractive to others as it radiates from within. Moreover, setting goals helps you prioritize what's important to you and align your actions with your values. It encourages you to be proactive rather than reactive, taking control of your destiny instead of waiting for things to happen. This proactive approach is empowering and can lead to greater satisfaction in both your personal and professional life. Bonus tip: embrace new opportunities. Be open to new opportunities and experiences. When you stop chasing someone and start focusing on yourself, you'll find that life is full of possibilities waiting to be explored. Embracing change can lead to significant personal growth and happiness. Being open to new opportunities means stepping out of your comfort zone and trying new things. It might involve traveling to a new place, starting a new hobby, or meeting new people. These experiences can enrich your life in ways you never imagined and open doors to new and exciting possibilities. Life has a way of presenting us with opportunities when we least expect them. By keeping an open mind and being willing to take risks, you allow yourself to grow and evolve. This openness can lead to personal discoveries that enhance your self-awareness and confidence. So now you know tips to focus on instead of chasing her. What's next for you? Discover the signs girls think you're good looking, or learn 20 signs a younger woman likes an older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.